Today I'm going to show you how to disconnect your MetaMask wallet from websites and dApps you may have used. So how this works is the first time you connect to a website, that website will be saved in with your MetaMask wallet. And so when you go to that website in the future, it'll automatically connect. This is kind of like a cookie feature or something like that, where it just saves your information and logs you in automatically. However, sometimes a website or a dApp might be exploited or hacked, and that could leave your wallet open to vulnerabilities, which could be an issue, especially when it comes to security. So in order to disconnect, what you'll do is you'll start off in your MetaMask page. Same thing if you do the sidebar here, and just click on these three dots right here. Go to connected sites, and then here it's going to give you a list of all the websites that you're connected to. So I'm only connected to this one right here, but I'll go ahead and disconnect that. Disconnect. And if we go back to connected sites, it now shows that I am not connected to any sites. So it's really simple. That's all you got to do. If you want to reconnect, just simply go visit that same website again and then connect, use directly through there. But other than that, that's how you disconnect your MetaMask wallet from previous websites.